Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? Smash you up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face in the AK race. Smash you up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you know to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has done it again. Another hit international collaboration, just like when Vybz Kartel link up with the Germans in Germany for a track titled International Criminal. Vybz Kartel and Sean D, viewers and subscribers, has, and big up the whole mixtape Madness family. For those not in the know, Mixtape Madness is one of the UK's biggest urban music outlets, next to Link Up TV and Grime Daily. If you listen to Grime UK drill rap scene, you will know these different outlets. Now, let's talk about the track. Let's talk about the track. That line in specific, me a whole heap of people are talking about the line there. Yes. When the teacher said, mind love killing people, living evil, bad bird, pick him eagle. Multiple. Them boy, them nerd they rather. No know about war, run him down like track star. Now, people have said this go for various artists. Really and truly, it could fit for any specific artist, but the teacher never mentioned that. Even though him did say easy victory. Just a reminder for the fans, as he would say for the one other and for the clans, yes, that Vybz Kartel is still able to drop these lyrical bombs, viewers and subscribers, and we are expecting to see this have the same effect on the UK music scene as the German feature had on the German music scene, because people still are talking about that feature right now. During the time of this recording, people still are talking about that feature, viewers and subscribers. Still are climb charts, still are do extremely well. Now this, no, wanna hear the chorus? Huh? My avat name got you. Run your down. Yo, even the way the song was mixed and mastered showcased dancehall's versatility. The fact that a dancehall artist can still bring across that type of vibe, that energy, even though you don't know we have the hardcore dancehall scene. So that's nothing new. When a yardie, foreigner. So that's nothing new. But at the same time, the way the song is structured, and not just about the amount of bars. Sometimes it's the cadence of the voices of I point out. Sometimes it's the structuring of the song. Yeah, people like us tell a story, tell a ring. At the same time, the way you put together or structure your sentences while having the aim for record a track definitely have an impact on how the music sound. Some people don't really understand crossover music or what makes a track crossover, and you know, versatile in different genres, and not every sound can be a crossover sound. When pop try for crossover in a reggae, it have a type of sound to it. It don't really sound that way, as opposed to when a reggae or dancehall crossover into pop. I feel like the dancehall genre should be celebrated more. And by God blessing, we have Vybz Kartel for showcase dancehall's versatility. And the fact that even if we choose to talk about a subject matter where most dancehall artists have covered, there are still unique ways so you can present this to an audience. Yeah, we know that gripping, gritty lifestyle, and we know that narrative. and lots of dancehall artists showcase that, whether it is in the music video or in the song itself. But there are different ways to showcase or talk about a topic that is being discussed by multiple people. Vybz Kartel has done it again. Yes, another major international feature from the teacher. And as I say, big up the whole mixtape madness family. You know the thing. And this is, as I heard, not just locally, also internationally. Because of the track itself, the feature of Vybz Kartel being in a mixtape madness production, and also the music video. This is one of the most anticipated tracks since week. Not just locally, but also internationally as well. Okay, you know the dancehall and the Caribbean culture support is strong in England and Europe. You don't know reggae reign king in Europe already. You know there's something standing. You know there's something going for those who don't. Reggae reign as king over there as a musical genre outside of Europe. But dancehall, the support for reggae youngest brother, is still on the rise because dancehall has given birth to the grime scene. The same drill music scene, if you notice, all of these artists add a little bit of patois in the thing. Add that little dancehall element in the thing. Just a good look. Definitely a good look to see the king of dancehall featured on a drill music project. Showcasing one, dancehall's versatility, and the fact that I would say UK drill artists pay homage to dancehall every chance them get, with every track and with every line with them choose to add a Jamaican slang or something about Jamaica, or even just add patois to it. I consider that paying homage. Respect and the love for our culture is something that I feel like if people didn't know the way our culture is supported, appreciated and loved internationally, I feel like locals would love their culture more. Because I feel like people still now see the impact of our musical heritage and the effect we have worldwide and even on major industries of music overall, different sectors. From the production, the way the beats are arranged, to even the vocals and the flows and the different sounds themselves. Lee Scratch Perry, some people don't know this, has copyrighted over two, I don't want to get the numbers wrong, but he has copyrighted sound effects. Lee Scratch Perry and the first man never decide say, yo, he want the greater sound, and he go greater to get that sound. In movie production right now, some of the time when you hear certain sounds and certain sound effects, they are brought here via that quick thinking. So even the style of production of music to the songs itself, our musical heritage has impacted the world, and yet still it is not being supported. And you can see that to the way the system fights against dancehall's king without people actually saying, no, that's not right. That shouldn't go on. Why is the music not celebrated only when we not seek to be elected? Because everybody who is anybody that was in the political race had a dancehall dub plate. Think about it. But yet still, majority of the festivals are reggae. But there was not one reggae dub. And it is good to say we have reggae festivals still being held here. But where's the support for dancehall music? Talk to me in the comment section. I feel like it's something important we might need to discuss. Yep. Because I feel like local stakeholders and those who should be investing in the growth of dancehall music are more worried or concerned about the fact that Vybz Kartel is still king for so long and not working on how they can build the genre so that we can be getting the right revenue stream coming into dancehall music, which means going into Jamaica itself. And now we can make the music more official. If you notice, we now have 20 record labels that deal with dancehall music. especially on a certain scale. That has to change. That has to change. From Short Bass music, Vybz Kartel music, Turbo them, Navigator them, One Dan Records them, Caution them. You know the thing go sharp done. Dim them. You don't know it will 6 move. Yes. Big up all the producers them. You know the thing go. Until the reason again, well, first and foremost, the like icon. Well, click the subscribe icon and bell icon if you're new to the reasoning. Just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course the point of view. Subscribe, do the right thing. The comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper.